Hi, this is Judy from Taylingual. We hope you're doing well and staying safe. Today, we're going to focus on the word very, which, as you know, is used for emphasis when describing a person, place, thing, or situation. Very is very overused, and we try to encourage our clients not to use that word and use other words instead. English has a very rich vocabulary, and so there are many other words to choose from. For example, instead of saying very good, you can say excellent, outstanding, impressive. Instead of saying very detailed, you can say comprehensive, all-inclusive, meticulous. Instead of saying very smart, you can say talented, gifted, accomplished. Instead of saying very powerful, you can say compelling, convincing, stimulating. Instead of saying very interesting, you can say captivating, gripping, fascinating. Instead of very difficult, you can say demanding, punishing, grueling. And instead of very deep, you can say profound, extensive, intense. As you can see, there are many words to choose from, so you really do not have to use the word very. As always, if you have any comments or questions, please email us at info@taylingual.com.